Travelers could deal with some delays as well today.
Anna Meiler is live inside Logan Airport with what you need to know this morning. Anna?
Well, Liam, Kate, the airport is really busy this morning, but good news for everyone here. We are not seeing any delays or cancellations on the board right now. Things are looking good here. But Logan Airport is under a wind advisory until 7 o'clock tonight, with gusts up to 50 miles per hour possible. Otherwise, it's just rain here at Logan Airport. No snow or ice expected here today. But plane arrival and departure times are also going to depend on how this storm system is impacting states outside of Massachusetts. So delays could be possible for people heading to northern New England or upstate New York, which are areas that are getting snow. So Massport is urging people to check with their airlines, to check their flight status before heading to the airport. That also goes for people who are traveling tomorrow morning, because there is a coating of snow expected here at Logan Airport. Not a big impact, but always a good idea just to check ahead before coming to the airport. Also, a good idea is to give yourself some extra time getting here, because the roads are wet and slick this morning. Live at Logan Airport, Anna Meiler, WBZ This Morning.